landlords, thanks again for tuning back in. If you are new here, my name is Makayla. I actually post videos every Wednesday and Friday, all things property management. So welcome to our FAQ Friday. On today's question, I'm going to be discussing a question that I got from actually two different potential clients that have two different time frames. So they had a question regarding our contract and regarding signing the contract. And they wanted to, what I noticed that they weren't unclear of was the start date versus signing day. They're two very different things. So the day that you sign does not necessarily mean that will be the day that our services start. So there's two different variables. The day you sign is not always the day that you start. Always keep that in mind. So that I had to provide a bit of a clarification. Two different clients, one is moving next month and the other one is not moving until actually next year. What we did is we went ahead and dated the contract for those dates, and although they did sign the contracts with us, I just wanted to make it clear that we don't start our services until the date of the contract. However, the more time you give us, more benefit it is to you because we have more time to schedule vendors, do turnover processes, as well as you already have the back-end paperwork aspect taken care of. Signing day just basically means that you promise to work with us. Again, all professional property managers are structured very differently. I know with us that we actually don't collect management fees depending on which plan you're on with us until you actually start receiving rent. So if you're hesitant on working with a professional property manager, but you're trying to get ahead of the game, kind of get the ball rolling, get that piece of your move taken care of, you are more than welcome to do that. Again, please double check with the professional property manager that you are working with. But I know with us, at my company, Advantage Property Management Services, we can work with you ahead of time, and the day that you sign is not always the day that you start. So I wanted to make that very clear. All right, landlords, thank you so much again for tuning in. This is a little short FAQ. So if you would love me to shout you out on one of these videos, and if you actually have a question, whether you're a landlord or you're looking to become a landlord in the either near future or far future, and you would love me to address a question on here and as well to shout you out, go ahead and leave your question on the link below, and as well as all of my contact information, so you can always reach out to me as well. All right, landlords, thanks for tuning in on our FAQ Friday. Remember, we post every What's What Wednesday and every FAQ Friday. Guys, this is Makayla providing you with a higher standard in property management. Bye, landlords.